In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PowerPoint presentation from laptop to phone. We'll walk through 3 simple methods so you can pick the one that fits your setup and comfort level. I'll explain what to tap and click and share a few quick tips to keep things smooth. Let's start with a direct cable-based transfer. Plug your phone into your laptop using a reliable USB data cable. On your phone, unlock it, then swipe down from the top to open your notifications. Look for the USB or charging notification, tap it, and change the connection type to file transfer. This tells your phone to allow data to move between devices. On your laptop, find the PowerPoint file you want to send. Right-click the file, choose Send to, and select your mobile device from the list. The file will copy over to your phone's storage. Give it a moment if the file is large and keep your phone awake until the transfer finishes. Once done, you'll find the presentation in your phone's storage, often under Downloads or a similar folder. If you prefer cloud-based sharing, email works well. Open your browser and go to Gmail, then sign into your account. Click Compose, address the email to your own email address that's set up on your phone, and add a short subject so it's easy to spot later. Click the paperclip icon to attach a file, browse to your PowerPoint, my PTX, select it, and click Open. Wait for the attachment to finish uploading, then click Send. On your phone, open your email app, find that message, and download the attachment. Keep an eye on file size limits. Larger presentations may take longer to upload and download, so a stable connection helps. For quick messaging-based transfers, you can use Facebook Messenger. Open Messenger in your browser or the desktop app and log in. Open a chat, and for easy access later, you can send the file to your own account. Click the photo or file icon, browse to your PowerPoint presentation, select it, and click Open, then click Send. On your phone, open the Messenger app, go to that conversation, and download the PowerPoint file. Depending on your network, it might take a moment, so let it finish before you try to open it. And that's it. You now have 3 reliable ways to move a PowerPoint from your laptop to your phone using a cable, Gmail, or Messenger. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.